This is how to fix Blox Fruits lag, or any Roblox game for that matter. There are a couple of things that you need to do. Each of those things will improve your performance by just a little bit, and combined, they should help you reduce your lag significantly. So the first thing you should do is unlock your FPS in Roblox. And to do that, this is what we're going to do. Right-click, New Folder, and then name it Client Settings, like this, with the C and S as capital letters. Then open that folder, and within that folder, create a new text document. Open the text document, and then in the description of this video, there's going to be a huge list of commands that you're going to paste into this document. And this is how it will look like. So after you paste that in, go to File, Save As, and then within that folder, create a JSON file. Client App Settings. That's how you will name your file, and select all files, and then add the extension .json, and then save. Right here, it should say JSON file. If you go to View and select Details, it should be JSON. So now you can delete this new text document and close this as well. And then on your Roblox player, right-click and open File Location. And then just drag this folder in here. And that is it. Now your FPS is going to be unlocked, which will by itself make for a smoother gaming experience. Then after that, what you want to do, then what you can do is go to Start and then type Run, and then open Run, and then type in %temp%. And then right here in this folder, you can press the R key on your keyboard so it comes up to the R's, and then find Roblox and just delete that. Open the folder and delete everything inside. And then after that, the last two things that you want to do is go to Start again and type CMD, right click on it, Run as Administrator. And then what you want to do is type in this ipconfig /flush DNS, and then enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, so that is nice. And now netsh winsock reset. And now we just have to restart our computer to complete the reset. And we're going to do that now. And now, after I reset my PC, on the left side, you can see where the arrow is pointing, the ping that I had before everything. And on the right side, you can see where the arrow is pointing, the ping that I have now. It's definitely a significant difference. And that is it. Hopefully this helps you.